Welcome once again into my YouTube channel, Knowledge Entertainment. So once again we continue from where we have left the topic in the previous video. In the previous video, I remember we have derived the fourth formula cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. The second one was cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. The third one, sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. And the fourth one was sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Up to this step we have completed in the previous video, and now we'll move ahead. So divide the first by third, or divide the third by first to be more easy. So sin x plus y divided by cos x plus y. Sin x plus y, the value is here, cos x plus y, the value is here. So substituting the values, we will get sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by cos x plus y. So cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now one thing we know that sin divided by cos for the same angle becomes tangent. So it becomes tan x plus y equal to, now what we have to do, divide each term in the numerator and in the denominator by cos x cos y. Divide each term here by cos x cos y. So the first term here is sin x cos y. When you divide it by cos x cos y will be cancelled out, and you will be left with sin x over cos x, which means tan x. So it is tan x, then this plus sign, and then you are having cos x sin y. And when you will divide it by cos x cos x will be cancelled out. You will left with sin y over cos y, and sin y over cos y is nothing but tan y. In the denominator, the first term is cos x cos y, and we are dividing it by cos x cos y. So numerator and denominator will become same, and you will get 1 minus the last term, it is sin x sin y. When you will divide it by cos x cos y, you will get sin x upon cos x and sin y upon cos y. Sin x upon cos x will become tan x, and sin y upon cos y will become tan y. So you will get here tan x tan y. So you have another formula, tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Similarly, if we divide the fourth one by the second one, sin x minus y over cos x minus y, what you will get by the same process, you will get tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y over 1 plus tan x tan y, and this will be the formula for tan x minus y. In both these two derivations, the last two, you make a replacement, and replacement you make, take x is equal to pi by 2 and replace y by x in both these formulas. So first I am taking the first one, replace x by pi by 2 and y by x. So what you are going to get, tan pi by 2 plus x is equal to, on the other side also you will get 10 pi by 4, sorry 10 pi by, you will replace x by pi by 4, not by pi by 2, replace it by pi by 4. So 10 pi by 4 plus, it will become 10x upon, here you will get 1 minus, it is 10 pi by 4 and 10x. So what the result you are going to get is 10 pi by 4 plus x is equal to, now 10 pi by 4. The value of 10 pi by 4, that means 10 45 degree is 1. So it is 1 plus 10x divided by 1 minus, and this 10 pi by 4 is again 1. So 1 into 10x is 10x. So another important identity is here. 10 pi by 4 plus x is 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x. Similarly, the same changes if you will make here in this formula 10x minus y, you will get 10 pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 minus 10x over 1 plus 10x. And the proof, that means the line of action, is same as it was done in the case of 10 pi by 4 plus x. For 10 pi by 4 minus x, the line of action will be same for the proof. Now we move on to some results of cotangent for the sum and difference of the formula. So first of all, I am taking cot x plus y. So cot x plus y, cot is the reciprocal of 10, so you will get 1 upon 10 x plus y. Here 10 x plus y is here, but what you want now is its reciprocal, so the denominator will go into the numerator and numerator will go into the denominator. You will get 1 minus 10x 10y upon 10x plus 10y. But the question is that it is in cot, so we need the answer also in the trigonometric function cot. So what we have to do now, change all these tens into cots by taking reciprocal. So it will become 1 minus 1 upon cot x cot y over 1 upon cot x plus 1 upon cot y. A little bit simplification and you will get the result as cot x cot y minus 1 over cot y plus cot x. This will be the final result for cot x plus y. And on the same lines, you can derive the formula for cot x minus y, and for cot x minus y, the final result you will get as cot x cot y plus 1 over cot y minus cot x. So this will be the result for cot x minus y. So we are having results for sin x plus y, cos x plus y, sin x minus y, cos x minus y, tan x plus y, tan x minus y, cot x plus y and cot x minus y, and two more, that is 10 pi by 4 plus x and 10 pi by 4 minus x. Now we move a little bit ahead to get more formula for these trigonometric functions. And once again I am writing sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos y cos x sin y. Sin y. Now put y is equal to x in this formula. So what you will get? You will get sin x plus x is equal to sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. So what we are going to get now, it is sine x plus x is 2x, and on the right hand side you are having sine x cos x plus again sine x cos x. So sine x cos x plus sine x cos x will become 2 times sine x cos x. So it is another important result for twice of the angle sine 2x. Once again, keeping this in mind, I am again starting from here, and now what I am going to do, put y is equal to 2x now. When you will get y is equal to 2x, on the left hand side you will get sine x plus 2x. So sine x plus 2x will become sine 3x. So it will be sine 3x is equal to, on the other side you are getting sine x cos 2x plus cos x sine 2x. What I am going to do now, this sine x is as it is, this cos 2x I am going to write cos x plus this cos x is as it is, and for sine 2x we know that sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x. So I am substituting this value here. So it is 2 sine x cos x. Move further ahead, sine x, and for this cos x plus x, apply the formula for cos x plus y, taking y as x. So cos x plus y was cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So it will become cos x cos x minus sin x plus, here you will get 2 sin x, and this cos x multiplied by cos x will become cos square x. So we will move ahead now, sin x, and then I am having here cos x into cos x means cos square x, but we know that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. This is very well known to us. So what will be cos square x from here? It will be 1 minus sin square x, put it here. So this will become 1 minus sin square x, and further there is one more sin square x with negative sign, plus 2 sin x, and here again this cos square x, I am replacing cos square x by 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x. So what we are going to get now? Just simplify the brackets, sin x from here and plus 2 sin x from here. Sin x plus 2 sin x will become 3 sin x. 3 sin x. Then it is minus 2 sin square x multiplied by sin x is minus 2 sin cube x. And here again minus 2 sin cube x. So minus 2 sin cube x from the first bracket and minus 2 sin cube x from the second bracket will become minus 4 sin cube x. And this is your required formula for sin 3x. So we have obtained sin 2x, we have obtained sin 3x. And in between, here we have obtained the formula for cos 2x. So cos 2x is equal to this one minus this is minus 2 sin square x. So 1 minus 2 sin square x. In this formula, if you take sin square as 1 minus cos square x and simplify it, it will become 2 cos square x minus 1. Further on, if you take it as cos square x plus cos square x minus 1, so what you will get? You will get cos square x, and rest of the terms will be plus cos square x minus 1. Take minus sign common, you will get 1 minus cos square x, and 1 minus cos square x from this formula a is equal to sine square x, so it is sine square x. So these are the formula for sine 2x, cos 2x, sine 3x. And as I have obtained sine 3x by substituting y is equal to 2x in this formula, put y is equal to 2x in the formula for cos x plus y, and what you will get? You will get the result for cos 3x, and it will be the result. The procedure is almost same, and the result will be cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. It will be the result for cos 3x. Now we move on to the formula for tan 2x and tan 3x. For tan 2x, we know that the trigonometric function tan is the quotient of the trigonometric functions sine and cos. So for tan 2x, you can write it as sine 2x over cos 2x. You can write it like this. For sine x, sine 2x, you are having formula 2 sine x cos x. We have just derived it. And for cos 2x, you are having cos square x minus sine square x. Now divide each term in the denominator and numerator by cos square x. So you divide each term here in the numerator and denominator by cos square x. What you are going to get now? 2 will be there. Cos x 1 will be cancelled out by this, and you will left with sin x upon cos x, and sin upon cos is tan x. Then cos square x divided by cos square x will be 1 minus sin square x upon cos square x will become tan square x. So this is your formula for tan 2x, that is 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x. Similarly, you can derive formula for cot 2x, you can derive formula for tan 3x, for cot 3x, and so on. The formulas can be derived using these results. Now, further, we are moving ahead once again. You know that cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. You know that cos x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. And now add these two. What you will get adding these two? Your left hand side will be cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. On the right hand side, sin x sin y with negative sign and sin x sin y with positive sign will be cancelled out, and these two similar terms will be added to get twice of this. So it will become 2 times cos x cos y. Now let x plus y be equal to a and x minus y be equal to b. Suppose now adding these two, y will be cancelled, 2x is equal to a plus b, so that x is equal to a plus b by 2. Similarly, subtracting these, you will get value of y is equal to a minus b by 2. Substitute all these values here, so it will become cos, this x plus y is a, so cos a, plus cos, this x minus y is b, so cos b, is equal to 2 times cos, here it is x, and x is a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2, then cos y, y is a minus b by 2, a minus b by 2. So this is the formula for cos a plus cos b. So cos a plus cos b will become equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Here we have added these two. If we subtract the second one from the first one and proceed similarly, we will get the next result as cos A minus cos B is equal to minus 2 cos minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. This result you will get if you subtract the second one from the first one. Now, leave these results of cos and move on to the results of sin. Sin x plus y and sin x minus y. It will be sin x cos y, no cancellation now, minus cos x sin y. Similarly here, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. These are the formula for sin x plus y and sin x minus y. Once again, add these two. After adding, take x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b. Once again, your x and y will become a plus b by 2 and a minus b by 2, and you will get two more results, and these two results will be sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2, and one more result you will get sin a minus sin b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. These results you will have by adding these two and then by subtracting second from the first. So once again, I am stopping the video here. In the next video, we will move to some questions regarding trigonometric identities, solution of the problems, some typical problems, and I think you will be benefited by that solution of different and difficult problems. So before leaving you here, I would like to thank you for liking my videos, for sharing these with your friends and especially with students of 10+1 class, and subscribing my channels. Thank you once again.